Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove Facebook Messenger from Instagram. So if you guys aren't happy with the new Instagram Messenger update with the syncing with Facebook, I'm going to show you guys how to remove that right now. It's really easy to do. You just want to go over to Instagram, then over to your profile page here. Then you want to go up to the top right corner where you see the three horizontal lines. Then click on Settings. Once you're there, you want to scroll down to where you see Accounts Center right here, just under where it says Facebook. Click on that. And then you will see the accounts that you have linked. So you just got to click on the accounts that you have linked right at the top here. Then it will show you the two accounts, the Instagram and the Facebook. You just want to click on the Facebook portion and then just simply click on Remove from Account Center. And this will just let you know that's going to disable your connected experiences, which means like logging in across accounts, finding and messaging friends faster across apps, which is the Messenger feature, and then sharing stories and posts across. So if you want to go ahead and disable that, you just want to click on Continue and then remove your Facebook account. Just like that, and then the Messenger will then be removed for you from your Instagram. I really hope I was able to help you guys out by showing you how to do this. If this helped you out, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.